The history of CT production in Japan begins in 1975 with Hitachi, who pioneered the domestic CT market and continues to evolve its products in response to the voices of both patients and professionals in the medical field. As a result of its commitment to delivering ever more advanced and higher performing products, Hitachi has developed the open and compact Supria series, featuring the Supria 64 and the Supria. Hitachi developed the Supria 64 with a new concept in mind: optimizing care for a super-aging society. The Supria 64's 64-channel 128-slice capabilities allow for high-speed and high-definition imaging, enhancing diagnostic performance while reducing the burden placed on patients during examinations. High-speed, high-definition imaging is achieved using the core method, Hitachi's unique 3D imaging reconstruction algorithm. Core enables high-definition imaging as thin as 0.625 millimeters a slice, while remarkably reducing scanning time. With Core, the chest area can be scanned in 3.8 seconds and the combined areas in just 6.8 seconds. This same technology also makes wider imaging up to 1,100 millimeters possible, requiring the examinee to hold their breath for just one interval of 14 seconds. This reduces the burden placed on patients who have trouble staying in the same position or holding their breath for extended periods of time. HIMAR uses Hitachi's unique algorithm to reduce metal artifacts. It also processes multiple images simultaneously, thereby improving the efficiency of high-quality image processing. Lower doses and higher image quality for everyone's benefit. The Supria 64's high-quality imaging is achieved with IntelliIP Rapid, which uses iterative approximation to reduce image noise and artifacts, and cuts imaging calculation times by nearly half compared to conventional imaging methods. It also optimizes doses via auto-control of the tube current to produce the best imaging quality using the lowest possible dose of radiation in order to minimize the patient's radiation exposure. The Body Motion Correction Function, or BGC, can correct unintended imaging effects from body movement even after scanning, in the case that the examinee accidentally moved during the scan. This reduces the recurrences of re-scanning, while minimizing the burden placed on examinees and their exposure to radiation. It is possible to generate 3D images using data taken from conventional imaging, which enables more advanced diagnostic imaging. Regardless of the field of view, or FOV, set at the time of scanning, the Supria 64 constantly collects data at the maximum FOV. Even when image loss occurs while the FOV is set for an examinee with hunched shoulders, the lost portion of imaging can be restored by simply recalculating, as long as it is within the maximum FOV. Downsizing the Gantry allows the Supria 64 to feature a wide opening bore with an aperture of 75 centimeters, which helps reduce the oppressive feeling experienced by examinees sensitive to being enclosed in small spaces. This also enables the scanning of patients in more comfortable positions who would otherwise have trouble lying flat on the examination table. Despite being a 128-slice CT, the Supria 64 requires just 12 square meters of space for the installation of the entire three-piece unit, which includes the gantry, examination table, and operation console. The Supria 64 aims to optimize operator usability by adopting a highly advanced user interface for intuitive operation, and includes Quick Entry, a simple operation mode featuring larger fonts in its standard operation package. The Supria 64 was designed to minimize both daily operation costs and its environmental footprint, featuring an eco mode that reduces power consumption up to 55% during standby. Hitachi's comprehensive maintenance program supports your business by keeping your device in its top condition via services including the remote prediction, detection, and prevention of potential device failures.